Hi everyone, welcome back to Master English with Jake. Today, we're going to learn 50 common English words you must know. These words are simple, powerful, and used every single day by native speakers. So stay with me till the end, and let's master English together. Part 1. Everyday words. 1. Hello, a greeting. Example, hello, how are you? 2. Goodbye, a way to leave or say farewell. Example, goodbye, see you tomorrow. 3. Please, polite word for asking. Example, please pass the salt. 4. Thank you, show gratitude. Example, thank you for your help. 5. Sorry, apologize or say you regret something. Example, sorry I'm late. 6. Yes, affirmative answer. Example, yes I agree. 7. No, negative answer. Example, no I don't want tea. 8. Maybe not uncertain or possible. Example, maybe I will come later. 9. Good, positive or nice. Example, that's a good idea. 10. Bad, negative or not good. Example, that was a bad movie. Part 2. Action words. 11. Go, move from one place to another. Example, I go to school every day. 12. Come, move toward someone or place. Example, come here please. 13. See, use your eyes to notice. Example, I see a bird. 14. Eat, put food in your mouth and chew. Example, I eat breakfast at 8. 15. Drink, take liquid into your body. Example, she drinks water. 16. Speak, say words, talk. Example, he can speak English well. 17. Read, look at words and understand them. Example, I read a book every night. 18. Write, put words on paper or screen. Example, please write your name. 19. Make, create or produce something. Example, she makes delicious bread. 20. Do, perform an action or task. Example, I do my homework. Part 3. People and places. 21. Man, an adult male person. Example, the man is a doctor. 22. Woman, an adult female person. Example, the woman is a teacher. 23. Child, a young person. Example, the child plays outside. 24. Friend, someone you like and trust. Example, my friend helped me study. 25. Teacher, a person who teaches. Example, the teacher explains the lesson. 26. Student, someone who learns. Example, the student asks a question. 27. House, a place where people live. Example, they live in a big house. 28. School, a place for learning. Example, I go to school every morning. 29. Car, a vehicle for driving. Example, he drives a red car. 30. City, a large town. Example, Landon is a big city. Part 4. Time and feelings. 31. Today, the current day. Example, today is Monday. 32. Tomorrow, the day after today. Example, tomorrow I will travel. 33. Yesterday, the day before today. Example, yesterday was sunny. 34. Morning, the early part of the day. Example, good morning. 35. Night, the time after evening, when it's dark. Example, I sleep at night. 36. Happy, feeling good or joyful. Example, I am happy today. 37. Sad, feeling unhappy. Example, she felt sad yesterday. 38. Angry, feeling mad or upset. Example, he is angry now. 39. Love, a strong positive feeling. Example, I love my family. 40. Beautiful, very nice to look at. Example, the flower is beautiful. Part 5. Useful nouns and concepts. 41. Time, the continuous flow of seconds, minutes, hours. Example, I don't have time now. 42. Thing, an object or item. Example, that thing is heavy. 43. People, more than one person. Example, many people are here. 44. World, the planet Earth or the place where we live. Example, the world is beautiful. 45. Life, the state of being alive. Example, life is full of chances. 46. Work, job or effort to do tasks. Example, she goes to work at 9. 47 place, a location. Example, this is a quiet place. 48 way, method or path. 49 day, a full 24-hour period or daytime. Example, have a good day. 50 year, 12 months. A long time measure. Example, next year I will travel abroad. Excellent. You did a great job. 50 useful words, each with a simple meaning and example. Practice these words every day. Speak them, write them, and use them in sentences. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe, and share with friends. See you in the next lesson. Keep learning and keep growing with Master English with Jake. Goodbye.